Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can write simple test cases in Flutter. So this will be a simple demo. So let's get started. So first thing you have to do is go to pubspec.yaml file that's in the root of your project. Then you have to copy those dependencies and let's paste it below, and you have to make a small change to dev underscore dependencies and the flutter to flutter underscore test. In this case dependencies are only dev dependencies, you are not going to use that in your release. Now get the packages. You can execute flutter packages get in the terminal, or you can use the IDE to get the packages. Now we are going to write a simple function that returns the square of a number. So let's go ahead and create a folder that should be named test, and we'll be creating our test case file that will be named my underscore test dot. Let's import the flutter test packages. Now we are going to write our main method. Let's import the main file as well, where we have the test functions. Now we are going to write the test cases. So that will be test and the description and the body. The first we can give the description. We're going to test the find square function and what we are going to expect. So first one is the actual method, so that's in the my app widget. So we're going to find the square of 2, so we are expecting 4 in return. Let's go ahead and run the test. That would be flutter test and the path of your test file. Here it is, test under slash my test dot. So all test passed. Now we are going to change the expected value, then it should fail. So you can see that expected is 5 and actual is 4. Now we are going to write another method in the home state and see how we can call that function. So go to home page state and write a function, simple function that will return 100 value, and we are going to copy that and paste it below, and we'll change that to testing function 2, and the method is in our home page state. Okay, my home page, create an instance of home page, remove that, create an instance of home page dot create state that will return the state dot test function, and that's going to return 100. So let's execute the test and it should pass all the test. Yeah, you can see all test passed. Now we're going to make the change to 2 and the second one should fail. So you can see expected is 2 and actually is 100. Let's undo the change, and if you want to run all the test cases at once as in your project, you can do flutter test and it will run all the test cases. Here we are going to run all 2 test cases. So you can see all tests passed. So that's a simple demo of how we can write test cases in Flutter. Let's circle back and see what we have done. We have to import the dependencies. We have to write the dependencies in the pubspec.yaml file and import the dependencies, and you can write test and expect. You can have complex unit test cases as well. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well. Thank you for watching.